Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with Dial Easy. So in this video we're going to discuss about the creation of trust under the Indian Trust Act 1882. So as we all know that the trust is an equitable obligation binding a person who is called trustee to deal with property over which he has control for the benefit of person of himself be one and anyone of whom may enforce the obligation. So according to historians like Caton, the trust arises whenever a person called the trustee has compelled the equity to hold the property, whether real or personal, legal or equitable, for the benefit of some person or some object permitted by law, in such a way that the real benefit is provided to the beneficiary. So section 7 of this act implies who may create a trust. So a trust may be created by, number one, every person competent to contract, that is, who is a major or he's of sound mind or not disqualified from contracting by any law which he is subject. And number two is with the permission of a principal civil court or in a jurisdiction on or behalf of a minor, but subject in each case to the law for the time being in force as to the circumstances and extent to which the author of the trust may dispose of the trust. So the following are eligible to create a trust. Number one, Hindu in undivided family. Number two, minor. And number three, women. Number four, association of persons. Number five, company registered under Companies Act 2013. So thank you. See you next video with some more information.